What makes a phone stand out today when every brand is chasing speed, specs, and cameras? For Apple, the answer this year might just be color. The iPhone 17 is making headlines not for tech, but for style, and it's thanks to two fresh shades, green and purple. These aren't just random paint jobs. Based on leaked dummy units and insider photos, Apple is bringing back the wow factor with these stunning new options. If you remember the iPhone 16's ultramarine model, which many called Apple's best-looking phone ever, then you know Apple is paying more attention to how these devices feel in your hand and look on your table. While the Pro models are getting a full redesign, including the upcoming iPhone 17 Pro, the iPhone 17 Pro Max, some people just don't like change, especially when it comes to shape and size. That's where the regular iPhone 17 comes in. It keeps the look that many love, just with better visuals and brighter colors. And for those who like the big screen of the Plus, Apple has a surprise in the form of the iPhone 17 Air. It gets a redesign too, but with a slightly different feel than the Pro line. So if you're after something new but not too new, the Air might be the right pick. The biggest upgrade across the entire iPhone 17 lineup is the display. Apple is finally adding a 120Hz screen to every single model, not just the expensive ones. That means the silky smooth animations and fast swiping that used to be only on the promotion screens are now coming to the regular iPhone too. This is a major win for people who don't want to spend extra just to get a smooth experience. On top of that, we're hearing all models might also get 12 GB of RAM, something that used to be limited to just the top-tier iPhones. That's a big jump from previous years and could mean faster multitasking, smoother gaming, and better performance overall. These changes, along with the color refresh, give the iPhone 17 lineup a modern, polished look. Apple clearly wants to cover every type of user. The ones who want flashy new colors, those who like the old-school design, and even the tech geeks who care about hertz, RAM, and speed. And let's not forget what's around the corner. Apple's foldable iPhone is rumored to launch next year. That's going to shake things up in a big way, especially now that Samsung's Galaxy Z Fold 7 is already getting praise for its improved design and performance. The foldable race is heating up, and it looks like Apple is playing the long game. But for now, the iPhone 17 is shaping up to be a solid upgrade, not flashy in specs, but smart in how it balances looks, comfort, and performance. Whether you go for green, purple, or a more classic color, Apple is giving people more choice without forcing them to jump to the Pro level. If you're someone who's been holding onto an older iPhone, this year might finally be the time to upgrade. Let us know which iPhone 17 color you'd pick and if these changes make you excited for launch day. If you enjoyed this update, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel for more news like this every week. Thanks for watching.